Ever feel like your marketing copy sounds good but just doesn't land with the people you actually want to reach? Here's the shocking truth. According to Salesforce, 66% of customers expect companies to understand their unique needs and preferences. That means if your copy feels generic, 2 out of 3 people will tune out and move on. The question is, can AI really help you write for your exact target audience? The answer is yes, but only if you know how to guide it the right way. Let's break it down into 4 steps that will make your AI-generated copy connect with your audience on a deeper level. Step 1. Get clear on who you're writing for. AI isn't magic. It needs direction. Before you type a single prompt, write down your audience's age, interests, goals, and frustrations. For example, a busy freelancer who wants to save time on marketing but doesn't want to sound salesy. Step 2. Speak to pain points and desires. Copy that works doesn't just describe a product. It speaks to the struggles people face and the transformation they want. Example, stop wasting 5 hours a week on blank pages. Start posting content that actually brings in clients. Step 3. Use language they already use. If your target audience says grow my side hustle instead of scale my business, mirror their words. This makes your copy feel like a conversation, not a pitch. Step 4. Test and refine. Even the best copy won't be perfect the first time. Use AI to create multiple variations and see which version resonates most with your audience. Now here's where the shortcut comes in. AI Creator Max has 100+ premium templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails, all built on proven marketing psychology like ADA, PASS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Helps you write content 10x faster. Try it free. Link below. Bonus pro tip: create audience avatars. If you know your audience inside and out, you can feed that info into AI once, then let it generate tailored copy every single time. Here's the big takeaway. AI can absolutely help you write for your exact target audience, but only if you combine the tech with human insight about who you're speaking to. This video is part of a playlist that shows you how to use AI step by step to write smarter, more profitable copy. Keep watching to stack these strategies and build your own AI-powered content engine. If this helped, hit like so more people can find it, subscribe so you never miss the next lesson, and comment with the audience you want to target next. And when you're ready to write for your exact target audience without overthinking, go to AICreatorMax.com and start creating smarter today.